Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Lovable to Supabase. Let's get started. First, open your Supabase account and sign in. After signing into Supabase, open Lovable AI and sign into your account as well. Once you are on the Lovable home page, scroll down and you'll see many project templates. Choose any template you want and click on it. The project page will open. Now click on the Use Template button. Allow the required configurations and then click on the Acknowledge button. Wait a few moments while Lovable creates your project. Once the project is ready, you can review it on the right side of the screen. Now, go to the top left corner and click on the project name. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Connectors. You'll now see a list of connectors for different platforms and services. Scroll down, search for Supabase, and click on it. Then, click the Connect button. Lovable will now connect to your Supabase account. If prompted, authorize the connection by selecting your Supabase project and granting the required permissions. After the connection is complete, your Lovable project will be successfully linked with Supabase and ready to use. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.